Hi guys, welcome to MK Sportscars. Today I'm going to talk you through what we've got for sale currently here at MK Sportscars. A couple of cars, in fact there's 5 I need to talk you through. First up here is the RX5 MC as we call it. It is a round tube chassis with a Mazda running gear. It's fully road legal. It's registered on an age-related plate, but it was registered just a couple of months ago actually through IVA and everything else. So that's all good. What's on it underneath, what's powering this is a Yamaha R1 5VY engine. These kick out around 175, 180 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed sequential gearbox in there. It's got a nice aluminium radiator. It's got Mazda vented front brakes on it. It's got solid Mazda brakes on it as well. Completely refurbished, every component on this particular car, on all new chassis, everything else, and built by what was called Colchester Institute. They've done it to several cars with us now, and you've got the nice little paddle shift here. The standard clocks in there, GRP seats, everything's been built on this car to keep it lightweight. This is well under 500 kilos, around the 480 kilo mark, so plenty of brake horsepower per tonne. What would you use this car? Well, it's built really for road use and of course the occasional track day if you want to get into it. So it does have an electric reverse motor stuck in there, and it's fully IVA compatible, and you could be the first owner of this RX5 MC R1. Right, next up is bit more power and a bit more brighter colour even than yellow, which is this bright orange. This is what we would call a Cup 200 spec car. It is a Hayabusa engine powered with the Cup chassis, and under the hood here is a Gen 2 fully refurbished and rebuilt RLM engine. Awesome bit of kit, about 205, 206 horsepower is generally where they kick out. With drive-by-wire, it's got Gen 3 throttle bodies in it, which is a drive-by-wire motor. It's got the 6-speed sequential gearbox on it as well, with flat shift up and down, so you do not need to take your foot off the accelerator to change gear or use the clutch to change up and down. It does it all for you. It's got all our Cup front suspension, all our Cup billet front uprights. On the rear, it's got all billet rear bearing carriers as well, and a 265 4-pot calipers on the front with the discs, really nice, cross-drilled and grooved. And on the rear, we've got the 250 ones on the rear with the standard calipers. Now, running this is the management system, is a Life F88 ECU, really nice bit of kit, controls everything, looks after you as well. You've got the standard gear shift in here, which is on a bearing system, very light, very easy. You've got the AIM dashboard, which is amazing. We'll just fire that up for you to show you what that looks like. And everything else is here is on your steering wheel and your controls for your indicators, lights. It's all freewheel with your detachable steering column, everything else as well. This is a brand new car. It's just literally going through its IVA. You could be the first owner of this one. It will be, every single component on this car is brand new, no donor vehicle parts used. It has a 3.38 LSD in there, and we will be changing the exhaust system to a different type of system on there, more of a race one. Well, what would you use this car for? Well, this, yes, it's a road car and you can use it on the road and it will be road legal. This is definitely suited to a very focused track car, and you could have a Sunday blast in it, or you can go down to the racetrack and you'll have so much fun playing with the fun stick.
There was a video where you said in the outro, touch us up.
Yeah, touch us up. Come and see us about the Phoenix model, or touch us up. Right, next up we have our demo car that is actually got up for sale, because we've got a new one which is sitting there. This one's gone up for sale. Now we've moved on from bike engine now to car engine. This is a RX5 chassis. It's all Mazda running gear that we use, completely refurbished and renew. On an age-related plate, and again, it's only us who have been the owner of this vehicle. You've got 4-pot calipers on the front with 256 vented discs, so cross-drilled and grooved, nice big brakes. And also on the rear, you've got the cross-drilled and vented with a 4-pot wheel with calipers as well. But under the bonnet, what powers this? In this unique green colour that we've done, it's very nice. It probably looks black in the video, but it is a very dark green. We call it black green, it's like MK Racing green. Is a MX-5 Mazda Mark II, 98 to 2000 engine, the MB engine, but forged bottom end with a TD04 19T hybrid turbo. Runs on motorsport electronics management and all the ECU, all the intercoolers, a big intercooler, big radiators, big oil coolers, bigger injectors. I say the bottom end's been forged, balanced as well. We did balance all the crank, engine's gone through everything on this particular one. Power wise, we're into a different ball game now. We're into 280 horsepower low boost, 340 horsepower high boost. Car that weighs about 580 kilos roughly as it sits. It's rapid. This thing, 0 to 60, sub 4 seconds. It's an absolute weapon. Inside the interior, we've got what's called our lowered floor pan in here. It's a 40mm drop on the floor pan. We got our nice sports padded seats in here. We've got a quick rack and we've got the standard dash in here and Mazda instrumentation, but we have got in the centre there what's called a can checked, which is a digital display to do with your oil pressures, oil temperatures, water temperatures, all the other displays on it, and the Black Savage buttons on there. It's got a Torsen diff in there. It's got a 4.1 in the back here. We've got a Torsen diff under there and wrapped in Toyo tyres and CXR wheels. This is about as much fun as you want to have. This is a road car, focused really more than it is track. It will sit on track, but really focused on the road. But this thing's got torque for days. It's about 280 foot-pound of torque. So you want to get yourself into a road car that's fast, comfortable. You can cruise along at 80, but will destroy most supercars that are out there. This is the one for you guys. Right, next up is the next car that we're actually building that's going to be up for sale. So we're part way through the build, so you will have some say in it if you was interested in buying one that's already started. As you can see, we've gone through the engine. That's all done. That's refreshed. It's got a TD04 13T turbo on here. So it's a Mazda MX5 1.8 engine, Mark II, 98 to 2000 again. And we've got the manifold, the turbo all in. We've got the gearbox in there. It's a 5-speed gearbox on this particular one. All there, you can see the management is all going in, all brand new wiring looms right over through, and all the corners are all Mazda running gear, and these have all been refurbished as well, new bearings, new everything, powder coated, shot blasted, new discs on the rear uprights, front uprights and rear uprights have all been completely refurbished. Radiator and intercooler pack, all brand new components. The only donor components really on these now is like the steering column, the brakes, the front uprights, engine, gearbox, prop, diff, drive shafts and rear uprights and the fuel pump really. That's everything else we put on is brand new. So fuel tanks, all new brand new Protect shocks on here, cross drilled and groove vented discs on there. And we're sort of part way through the build, so it's interesting when people see how we do the process, and you can come and see us if you're really into this but you haven't got the time to build one yourself at home. This one's been built. You can just put your stamp on it now, but we've got the billet pedal box all in there as well. Right, yeah, so with the colour on this particular one, we've gone for a very nice blue actually, not something we've done before. So that's going to be the colour that we've put on there at this particular moment in time, which is going to look really nice. Undecided on the stripe colours and things like that, and that can be down to you as an individual. This currently won't be on our website for sale, so hook us up with phone call, email, or come and see us at the factory on this particular model that we're building if you're really interested. Right, and the final car here is the Cup 200 race car. This is not road legal currently. It has been raced in the championship last year for the 24 season, and this one's going up for sale. It's basically a Cup 200 spec car. They're all the same, the Cup 200s. In the terms of engine, it's built by RLM, again, fully refurbished engine that was. It's done 1 season in it, so it's got plenty of life in it. You've got Gen 3 throttle bodies with drive-by-wire, so it's got flat shift up and down on the gear change. So again, no requirements for clutch or accelerator lift-off for up and down on changes. And then you've got the big radiator pack, oil cooler, 34 row, and all the billet corners on these, billet front uprights, 265 cross drill and groove vented discs, billet hubs, and billet hubs all on the rear with a Quaife Sierra LSD 3.38 in the rear. So it's got a nice differential in there for these, gives them about 130 mile an hour top end. This is fully compliant for racing. Got the fire extinguisher in there, all the cup fuel system, cup wishbones that we have, uprights and billet rears, and it's minimal stripped out car, FIA rain light, FIA roll cage, AIM dashboard on here, and again minimalist interior, as in we have got a couple of different seat options with this as well, but obviously with the 6-point FIA approved harnesses, battery kill switch. This car is built for racing, so if you are wanting to get involved in the Cup 200 Championship, or you just want to go racing in general, whether it's with the Mag 7s or the MSV Sensational 7s, MSV R7, then this car is going to be awesomely competitive. They do so much on track. It's a Burkitt 6-hour competitive winning car. It's in our class 2 years in a row. So this car is really got some history behind it, and you will not be disappointed. So all of these cars are going to be for sale on our website. So hook that up there, which is the Cup 200 car here. You've got the Cup 200 Road Legal one. You've got the R1 with Yamaha based engine, and the Mazda Turbo. All of those are going to be on the website for you, or you can come down and see us at the factory, hook us up, phone call, email, and we can talk you through all them. So Specs, you know where to go. Jump on the website, guys. Catch you on the next video.